Hello everyone, welcome to the final day of this workshop Speed Maths Magic. Hope you would have enjoyed this. You learned a lot of new techniques. Many of you would have been surprised, like in a shock. So it's time to do the checking of the answers of the assignment given last time, question number 51 to question number 100. This was the topic discussed and these were the questions. So I appended all the answers at the end with all the 100 answers available now. Please verify all the answers and post your total score out of 100. How much time you took to solve these 100 questions. That completes this Speed Maths Magic workshop. I would love to hear from each of you. How was the experience? Did you enjoy? Did you love it? Which one technique you were impressed most with? Please share your feedback either in form of comments, either in form of videos, or in the form of email to me. You know my mobile number, you know my email address, or you can put in the comments whatever you like. Thank you, thank you everyone. See you in the next workshop. Bye bye.